G'day Australia, Scott from Smartkits Australia, and you know me, I'm always waving the flag for Aussie made products, which why it grinds my gears savagely when I see people pretending to be Colorbond Steel, especially when it's coming from Asian countries. Not going to specify which one that starts with C in particular, but you know the guys that pretend to be using Australian made products. If you get a quote from someone and they tell you that their colour options are slate grey, it's not Colorbond Steel. Mountain blue, it's not Colorbond Steel. Heritage red, definitely not Colorbond Steel. Mist green, not Colorbond Steel. Smooth cream, no deal. Not Colorbond Steel. Every single one of those came from Asia. They are not made in Australia. They'll pretend that they are made in Australia, and they want to sell you something that's imported, where the jobs go overseas, where the money goes overseas, and it doesn't stay here. I'm a patriot to my core. I will never, ever, ever sell this garbage. 100% Australian made Colorbond Steel, Australian jobs, Australian future, Australian values. We love Australia.